Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the best wardrobe app between the Indyx, Wearing and Stylebook, and what kind of things to be aware of if you want to get each. So first thing first, when you're going to look for the Indyx, what is great is that you actually have the unlimited items, and it's pretty like popular app right now. So you can get like a lot of also the usage here, and also various outfits and the items. So that's great. You can have multiple ways to add items, upload photos, forward shopping receipts, or paste product links from websites. Professional also wardrobe cataloging service. Now, what is really important is that you actually have the insider subscription. So it's like $60 a year. Maybe it's going to change. It really depends on the geolocation also. Some premium features like analytics dashboard, outfit selfies, customizable displays locked behind paywall. And also the initial setup takes like 2 minutes per item. So if you have like wardrobe, like be ready that it's going to take time when you can like screenshot everything and do all the important things. So that's for it, but still, even this app with the 4.7 reviews is Indyx is great one. Okay, now the Wearing, on the other hand, if you would like to get it, so it's free to use with no paywalls, automatic background removal that works well, dress me shuffle, AI powered outfit suggestions. So that now when we're gonna dive even further, you're gonna have built-in sustainable ethical shopping marketplace. Now the cons is that sometimes it could like crash, and sometimes there are like glitches, as you can see right here. Sadly, I'm noticing a lot of glitches, so that's something to be aware of. And you can copy already the existing outfits. You have to rebuild from scratch, and missing some features found in other apps. So another one, like what I encourage you to do is like download the tested out for also if you actually like it. I'm a huge fan of Indyx, but you do you, of course. And then another one, the last one that I want to share with is Stylebook. So we have one-time payment with no subscription. You actually have the lifetime access. So it's longest running close to the app, and also multiple import options, including AI text to image generation. Also, you can have the calendar tracking, packing lists, outfit generator, but of course it's like iOS only. This is not for Android, so something to be aware of. So it feels outdated with the design, harder to navigate. So the background removal is kind of like manual rather than automatic. So that's like another thing to be aware of. Also, it doesn't really have much like the AI detection, and it requires significant also time investment. So to kind of like photograph the whole wardrobe, I mean, the moment when you're gonna get it, you will see it's like it's good. So that's pretty much it for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.